Welcome to Sound Production's Atmos suite, a dedicated mixing environment using Dolby's multiple speaker array. This is the only one of its type on the city campus here at RMIT University. Advanced diploma students in the sound production program can log on to this system using the SP student account. Once logged in, the system will automatically load the default settings for both DADman software and Yukon. None of these systems' settings should be altered by any of the users. With DADman, the control surface to the right, known as the dock, has the ability to control the overall speaker amplitude. Pressing this button disengages the mute, which should be red by default and always put in that mode before closing or opening Pro Tools sessions. Once in Pro Tools, the Dolby Atmos panning elements can be controlled from this dock iPad on the right. For instance, controlling the height parameter allows you to use the control surfaces directly rather than the mouse. As seen in the Dolby Atmos renderer window within Pro Tools, manipulation of the audio panning and movement within the Atmos space is fully controllable. When using Dolby's standalone software, the assembler and the renderer, audio settings must be configured using the Dolby Audio Bridge as the output for the assembler into the renderer. The output for the renderer is our normal HDX output, the same as used by Pro Tools. Pro Tools is not to be open at the same time as using these apps. The assembler will also send timecode to the renderer to synchronize playback. Audio levels, as per your assessment requirements, can be adjusted here in the assembler.